What's up? I'm about to do a freestyle off the top of the dome to this beat I just found on YouTube. So I like this shit. I like laid back type beats. It's mellow, you know what I'm saying? Poetic type. You feel me? Let's get it. Hope I don't mess up, but I ain't perfect. Yup. Turn it up. I gotta find me a topic. Gotta find me a topic. Check it. This is the life that a nigga gotta live. Gotta watch my back so I don't get killed. They say that I'm not, but I know that I'm real. They say that I'm hot, hotter than cold, hotter than the soul of the sun. Nigga come, gotta do some things. I ain't saying that I'm done. I'm saying I'm done. Take the D off and I'm number one. I know that you feel me, even if you wanna kill me. That's the reason why you wanna kill me, cause you know that you feel me, and you hate that shit dearly. But I'ma make your thoughts clearly for you, and if you talk to me, I'ma ignore you. And I'ma go to sleep and snore too. Yeah, cause I'm sleeping on these peeps, they ain't saying nothing to me, cause I'm just high on my frequency. Man, I'm so high and I'm swimming in the sea, swimming with the fish, they're swimming by me. I'm riding on the back of the whales. Man, I'm just stepping over hell. Like, nigga, you don't wanna bring it here. Yeah, I gotta live my life right. Gotta turn off the light, right. Trying to step into the night, cause I'm just trying to live it like I'm trying to understand what is going on in this world, what is wrong with this world. Niggas think I'm foolish, they don't have a clue, they are clueless. And that's cool, cause I'm and I'ma do my thing until the day I die. Even when I die, I really won't be dead. I'ma just be somewhere else from this. And everybody know it. Act like you know it. And if you got love in your hand, then nigga hold it. Cause if you let go of it, you might not get it back. And I'm telling you, wanna get rid of that. You'll live a whole life full of misery, and you don't really wanna have that misery. I'm just trying to live a life as a busy bee. They trying to get rid of me, saying that I'm ridiculed, calling me pitiful. Well, they can call me whatever, cause I'ma live my life, they're not on my level. They don't understand me, I'm misunderstood, but it's all cool, man, we came from the same hood. But I just grew my thoughts strong. Every day I'm on some whole different type of shit. Like, I know this now, so I'ma drop that shit. There was a time I was smoking weed, but right now I ain't smoking weed. I stopped it, and then I started it, and started it again, and then started back. I kept relapsing, I kept wanting to smoke, but right now, that's a no. But I still do drink at times. I'm just saying whatever comes to my mind. A nigga just trying to feel cool, like an angel. I'm trying to feel like I'm flying, and I'm to the back, yeah. They say seek and destroy. Seek me and try to destroy. You won't get me. You just get something that looks like me. It's a decoy. Yeah. You feel me? And this is the real me. Off the top of the dome. Off the top of the dome. Freestyle, deep pool. You already know. Yeah.